In this diagram, AB, AC, and this MN. These three lines are touching this circle. O is the center of a circle. Okay. And only given information is that AB is equal to 22. Okay. So with this amount of information, find the perimeter of triangle AMN. Means इस येलो ट्रायंगल का आपको पैरामीटर फाइंड करना है. So come on guys, pause your video and try to solve it. Let us understand the solution of this problem. A very simple problem. Look here. From A is a point outside the circle. So you know concept that AB is a tangent and AC is tangent. So here AB from outside the point, from a point outside the circle, you can draw two equal tangent. It means AB is equal to AC. It is clear. And now suppose it is X. If it is X, so this point again, this is a tangent, this is tangent. So MP is equal to NC. Means it is also equal to X. And if I take N, then from N you can say it is a tangent NB and it is a tangent NP. So it is going to NB is equal to NP. So if I take it Y, then NB is Y. So now you are finding here the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, it is AB. The perimeter of triangle is AN plus AM plus MN. AN is 22 minus Y. AM is 22 minus X. And MN is X plus Y. So this is your perimeter. Okay. So look here, this minus Y plus Y, this plus X minus X cancel. Answer is 24. Very simple question. कितनी जल्दी आपको एक क्लिक कर जाती है ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें. कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है. It is easy, very easy question. These are low hanging fruits. कभी कदार मिल जाते हैं तो pluck them. Means these are sitters, right? जल्दी करना चाहिए बस. Okay, revise your concept and believe in yourself. Thank you.